Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. In order to chat with ChatGPT, you will need to add it as contact on WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp and then tap on the icon that adds a new contact and select New Contact. The phone number for ChatGPT is +1 800 242 8478. Add ChatGPT as a contact name and then tap on Save. After that, you can tap on the message icon to start a conversation with ChatGPT. You can see the blue tick icon next to the ChatGPT, which confirms that you're texting with the official ChatGPT contact. Now I can say hello, and ChatGPT will send an automated message saying that this is real ChatGPT. And by continuing, you will agree to their terms of service. You can then continue asking questions from ChatGPT. And that's it. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Instant Nerd.